Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your delivery address on Shein so you can receive order at a new location. So the first one is open the Shein app and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on me at the bottom bar of the screen. After that, tap on the settings icon and then tap on address book. So here, you can view and manage your saved addresses. So to add a new shipping address, tap add shipping address and fill in the details, your name, phone number, full address, and location. Once done, tap save. So after that, go back to settings, then tap on the location. And after you tap on location, you'll see a notice saying your data is collected separately on different country websites. So to continue, you can either register a new account for the new region or tap continue with current account to switch regions. So select your preferred website. For example, I will select Australia, sign in and agree to the terms, and finally, go back to your profile, tap location and choose the country or region you want. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your address and location settings on Shein. Thanks for watching.